Hey everybody, this is the machining part of the How to Port a Chainsaw series. This is pop-up piston. I'll show you how to do a pop-up piston. Okay. Now, there's reasons why I'm putting this 272 pop-up piston in my 372. Defects in the cylinder, so I can run this. Probably already showed you that. Okay. Now, how you figure out, now this is a trick that I learned being a machinist, to figure out how big to make your step here versus your pop-up or your squish band area. Okay, how big to make that? Little trick. See this pin? I'm going to slide this pin down in the cylinder here. Okay, see that pin down in that cylinder? It's showing up. See how that's just past the squish band into the combustion chamber? Okay, this pin is about 410 thousandths of an inch. Okay, now we're going to set our calipers 410 thousandths on our calipers. Okay, get you close. I already have his tool set up in here. Right there, pretty close, right on. Okay, pretty close. I want to touch more just because, so I make sure I don't hit this combustion chamber in here. Now this tool here, I got this is a 60-degree tool. I got this straight out, so technically this is 30 degrees. Okay. I'm going to take, I don't know, maybe I'll take 4 thou. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. That should give me 25,000 squish. Bingo. Feed it nice and slow on this little lathe. And we'll deburr it with some sandpaper. Just there. Right in there. Sandpaper. Burr it up a little. Okay, for the outside edge. These meter pistons are pretty tough. I'm saying that chamfer, and it's not too easy. Wow, pretty tough. Got it. Yep. Right there's what you want. Sand it in nice. Pop-up piston. Yep. Okay guys, next time keep feeling the heat.